Excited for a culinary adventure? Join me as we explore Chicken Alfredo Fettuccine Pasta with a delightful twist. To kick things off, let's sauté a cozy 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. Let's introduce 500 grams of marinated chicken to the mix. Our marinade buddies here are 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Patiently waiting for 30 minutes before showtime. Give the chicken a good stir, cover the pan for 5 minutes to lock in all that amazing flavor and moisture. Once our chicken is cooked to perfection, set it aside on a separate plate. Now using that same pan, let's add 5 tablespoons of melted butter, Are you ready for the creamy magic? Pour in 3 cups of cream. Feel free to choose between 35% or half and half cream. I'm leaning towards the creamier side, so I'm going with 35%. Add a quarter cup of milk and give it a good stir. Add 1 cup of mushrooms, 5 tablespoons of cheddar cheese, take a moment and stir once more. Sprinkle in 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, but any salt of your choice will do. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Here's where it gets aromatic. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Marvel at those bubbles. And let the stirring continue. Toss in 2 teaspoons of dried parsley and mix away. Now for the surprise element, toss in 1 cup of bell peppers. Think red, yellow, and green for a burst color in your pasta. Time to reintroduce the sautéed chicken into this creamy symphony. Let it sit for a minute so the chicken soaks up all that flavorful goodness. And now the grand finale. Gradually add your pre-boiled pasta into this heavenly mixture. Give it a good mix until all the ingredients are dancing in harmony. Doesn't that sound absolutely delicious? You've just created a perfect recipe for an extraordinary Chicken Alfredo Fettuccine Pasta that's bound to tantalize your taste buds. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I really hope you enjoy making and savoring this delightful dish. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback and suggestions mean the world to me. Happy cooking!